The Adobe Captivate Timeline serves two main purposes. Firstly, as its name implies, it enables you to control the timing of objects. Secondly, the timeline also provides a way to view all the objects on a slide and their relationship to each other. Now, the most important thing to take away from this lesson is that in Captivate, the timeline is slide-based. This means if I select a different slide, a completely different set of objects will then be shown on the timeline. The main components of the timeline are the header, used to display the time in seconds, and the playhead, which shows the point in time in which the slide is currently being viewed.
Then, sir, because you understood the question, it may well be you'd also.
To help make working with the objects on a slide easier, using the timeline you can also hide or lock objects. It's important to understand that hiding an object does not mean that this will be hidden in the published file. Hiding via the timeline only affects that object at design time, not when it's previewed or published. Let's show that continued text box again. Using the timeline, you can change the order of objects simply by clicking and dragging to reposition them. To play the slide, you can either press F3,
You'd also know the answer.
click the play button,
Click the continue.
drag the playhead,
that
or press the spacebar.
that you'd also know the answer.
Like all panels in Adobe Captivate, you can float the timeline above your project like so. To dock it again, simply drag and drop it, either at the top or bottom of the screen. Now, one thing to bear in mind is that if you do float the timeline and press the spacebar, your slide will then not be previewed. You can collapse the timeline panel by clicking on this button located here at the bottom, or if you just want to hide the panel itself, by clicking on this header.